Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, we're going to unbox items that I bought from the SM Olongapo City Central Store. These are my favorite Ray-Ban sunglasses. This was the way I see it, this is a heritage brand since it was founded in 1937. I have two items here that I bought from the said store, and it was not on sale. These are their latest offerings, as I have some collection of Ray-Ban sunglasses. SM had been my favorite store with regards of getting or purchasing these particular items. So we're going to unbox the first one. So you can see on the box, that's the model number. It is the ORB 4392D. I think this is within the family of the Wayfarer model of Ray-Ban. And we're going to unbox this. And it says it has the dark gray lens and a transparent gray frame. So we're going to unbox, and as usual you have your bag or pouch, and we're going to open it. So you have the usual cloth. You have the tags. The price of this is 12,990, and the usual paper tags that goes with it, and this came ready from Luxottica. We're going to open this and bring out the item, return this cloth so that we can scrutinize this glass or glasses. The way I see it, this is bigger than the regular Wayfarer. It is a bigger lens and it is lighter. And you can see the descriptions there. It says the length of the stirrup, the length of the lens, the distance between the lens, and I think that's it, the size of the lens. And we're going to try it. So that's how it looks like when I'm going to wear it. The frame is gray. I like how it is, the stirrup are snug on my part of my ear or side of the head. I like the size. I like how it fits on my nose and my cheeks. So very light. What I see is very clear, and the light is subdued, and as you know, it prevents the rays of the sun from hitting your eyes. And I like the color. I like the color of the frame. I like the color of the lens. and this is very, very new. If you have any comments about this particular item or model from Ray-Ban, please write your comments down below so that I can answer them. I was not able to read properly the dimensions of this sunglass, so if you have any questions, I'll be readily answer them on the comment section. But generally, this is a very nice improvement on the Wayfarer because it is very light, it has big lens, and it can, prevent the eyes from bigger amount of sunlight that goes inside your eyes. There, there is not much tilt on the lens. If you try to see it, it is perpendicular, almost perpendicular. So that's a nice improvement. The next item that I'm going to present to you is one of the latest models of Ray-Ban, and I'm going also to unbox it and remove it from the bag. The box is very special. You don't see any markings on the side. And the texture of the box, it looks like a carbon fiber. This is the model number. This is a carbon fiber glass or frame, and it says the number is ORB 88313, and the model is Arista, and the lens is clear gradient brown. So we are going to open the box and bring out the item. The usual cloth are separate. They are inside the box, and the usual tabs. This is the carbon fiber collection. This is more expensive than the one that I have just presented because the price of this is $15,995, almost $16,000. As usual, you have the bag or the pouch, but the texture of the bag is very, very unique. So we're going to open it. The texture of the inside portion is felt, and this is the glass or the sunglass. The stirrup is, the stirrup is carbon fiber, and the frame is gold. The usual markings are here. I hope you can see the markings that says the width, the length of the stirrup, the length of the lens, and the width of the bridge. This is the Aviator model, but as you can see, the lens is gradient, which means that the one at the bottom is lighter than the one at the top. And of course, the usual Ray-Ban markings is on the upper right portion of the lens, and you have the RB initials at the left portion of the left lens near the hinge. So we're going to try this. Wow. Very nice Aviator. You see how the lens changes from dark to light one. That's why it's called gradient. I think this is one of the most beautiful aviators that I have from Ray-Ban. Very nice. The lens is big and it is barely touching the to my cheeks, and the nose pad is okay, very comfortable, very light, and the things that I see are very subdued and very, very clear. And I like the Ray-Ban that I have right now. So if you have any comments or some questions about the dimensions of this particular Ray-Ban Aviator, please write down in the comment section so that I can write down my answers. And if you have any concerns about how this particular Ray-Ban Aviator is fitted on me, and for more explanation, please write down your concerns on the comment section. And if you haven't clicked that notification bell, please do so that you will be informed of my latest contents on this YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so that we can sustain our future video contents on this YouTube channel. With that, thank you very much for watching this video and have a good day. Bye.